There you go. It's like Red Bull. Merry Christmas. How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Not bad. How's your day going?
Good, good. What you need?
$30, please.
Camera?
Yeah. You guys say hi.
Hi, hi.
Good.
See, you want the sun? See?
There you go. Too much sun.
Yeah.
Never enough. Okay, thank you.
You have a good day.
You too. Alright, let's add some seafoam. What's your opinion on seafoam? Actually, wait, real quick. I'm gonna add the seafoam first. I added a little bit on the way here, and yes, I measured it. I'm not just guessing. There you go. It's like Red Bull. Good. No, I'm just kidding. Don't let it. Yeah, has anybody used seafoam on the bike before? Basically, my Gixxer's just got a weird idle, so I'm gonna try putting some of this. Maybe it'll clean it out. I only use 94 octane though, so I'm kind of surprised it's doing it. Domino's. I asked this Domino's girl if she has any pizza. You have any pizza in your truck? What's going on? Do you have any pizza in your truck?
What?
Do you have any pizza in your truck?
No.
I'm hungry.
I'm on my break.
Oh my, you gotta steal me some. If I come by, will you give me some?
Not for free.
Come on. Maybe I'm biased, or maybe I'm just dumb, but it already feels better. There's no way it works that fast. We'll find out. Which one you work at? Okay, I'm gonna come creep you.